Hey guys, and welcome to another video on the Road Builder YouTube channel. If it's a little bit slower of a pace, I'm trying, okay? I got into a motorcycle accident last night. I broke my collarbone and I can barely move, but I'm here and I'm not gonna stop making videos for you guys. A few people have asked me about the UGC applications and how to get your items on the catalog and all that good stuff, and right now UGC applications are open. I won't be reading all of this to you guys in this video, partly because of time and partly because I'm dyslexic and it would sound like I'm stuttering a lot. But right here, this will be linked down below in the description. It's the applications, and if you're new to this and don't know what UGC is, it's user-generated content, meaning we can make our own items and put them on the catalog. Now, there's a lot of guidelines, there's a lot of stuff, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm gonna make you a top hat today and show you how to do that, but they don't want top hats, okay? If you put top hats in your application, you're probably gonna get insta-declined. They want unique stuff, so this is for the real creative people out there. Here's an example of some of the stuff that has been accepted. As you can see, we probably won't see one top hat in this. There's one hat, which is up next, this one, but it's not a top hat. And I'm just being honest, if you make top hats on your application, yeah, you're probably not going to get accepted. So this is for the more creative people, probably not myself, hence why I still haven't applied, but I will show you guys how to make a top hat. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This link will be down below in the description, by the way, and best of luck to any of you guys who want to get in the UGC program. So we're going to hop on into Blender. There is specific requirements that you're going to need to follow to make it so your item can get on the catalog. Your texture size cannot be, I think it has to be 256 by 256, not bigger, not smaller. And there is a vert count limit as well. That's probably in the form. I forgot the exact number, but yeah, you got to make sure you're staying within those guidelines. Now, hopefully you guys can work with me a little bit because I am going to be slow in Blender. I have one arm. Like, I have both of my arms, but I just can't move one of them. So I gotta kind of switch back and forth. Let's make this 8 sides. All right, we're just making a very simple top hat here. Go into edit mode and grab this top face, drag it down. This will be like the brim of the hat. And then I'm just gonna press I to inset, bring that in like this, E to extrude, bring that up. So this here would be a top hat, all right? Now, of course, we can add to this with a bevel, something like that, make it a little bit more round, a little more unique, and then we can add, like, designs onto it. For example, if we wanted a band of some sort or anything like that, we could definitely do that. So let me go ahead and just do Shift-A, put another cylinder in here. We will scale this guy down to about right here. Grab this top face, bring that over, and it looks like we're gonna have to scale it down just a little bit more. So let's scale that down and put it right in here. So this is where the band could go, and I think I'm gonna keep that all the polys. Like, I'm not gonna add more to it or take away because but yeah, that will give it a little bit of a shape. And then of course we could build something on the top. We could go anywhere with this, so let's inset this a little bit like so, and then let's drag it down. All right, and now we can inset it again. I don't really know, you could go as crazy as you want. Maybe I could make like a tree on the top of this. I'm not using the method I usually use to make trees, so it's kind of hard. Also, the whole one arm thing's kind of throwing your boy off a little bit as well. But I'm gonna keep trying out here. So let's scale that down, bring this up, scale that down. I'm sorry I'm so slow as well because it's not working out the best at the moment for your boy. Now, there's also size limits to being in the UGC. So like, for example, if this hat, if the player is like, or if the hat's bigger than the player, of course, it's not going to work out. There is bound boxes, and once you get accepted into the program, you'll learn all of the requirements and all the sizing and everything like that. If you're already in the program, you're not allowed to share that information though, so I can't really go fully into detail there. But we can add a little branch. I think I'm just going to copy the top of this, so, oh gosh, how do I do this with one hand? 4? Nice! There we go! I'm already learning! Alright, so let's copy all of this, Shift-D, S to scale it down, and I'm gonna rotate it and just make it sort of another branch, so Z and then 6. There we go. Just move this back over here to make it look more like a tree, and bring it down a little bit. Something like that, I think looks pretty good for what I'm going for. And now we need to add some leaves on here, so Shift-A, I'm gonna go with a UV sphere, and bump this up. Actually, let's go ahead and add a modifier. You know what? I think we'll be alright. I'm gonna go ahead and go to vertice select mode, Oh, I can't click shift. Okay, never mind. Never mind for this one. We're going to... oh gosh, how am I gonna do this? All right, we're gonna put just very low poly, okay? Very low poly aesthetic. We're going a lot lower poly than I was gonna, but it's all good. So we're gonna add the little leaves right up here. Ah, man, I can't press shift and a key. Okay, here we go. Well, I can do it if it's just the key. I can't press on the mouse and do it. All right, we're gonna rotate this. Oh, yikes, this is gonna be kind of ugly. Like, it's too low poly almost. Shrink this down a little bit. Bring it on over here, give it a little more rotation. We can then duplicate this guy, Shift D, and then we can move it down here, make this a little bit smaller as well, and put it on the edge of this little branch right here. Something like that, and give it a bit of a rotation as well, so it doesn't look so uniform. All right, so here's what we got so far, and now to make it into something a little bit more unique. So let's go ahead and hop into texturing. Now, the color palette I'm opening up right now, I used quite a bit. It is in the Discord in the Dev Resources channel, if you scroll up towards the top. I do want to note, I did not make this color palette. It was made by Imfaza. I don't know exactly how to say his name, but he's another Blender YouTuber. Very, very high quality stuff over there. So definitely check him out if you're interested. All right, let's grab this. This is so challenging. Okay, guys, I'll be back when I get done texturing. It's gonna take a little while. All right, guys, so far so good on the texturing journey. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab these top faces, and I want to... oh gosh. Okay, hold on. I got this. I got this. Come on, keyboard. Don't fail me now. Oh, the wire's not long enough. Okay, guys. All right, I got to shift. We're good. I'm clicking these top ones right up here, and I want to make those green so it looks like grass instead of just dirt. I may or may not grab these ones as well. In fact, it might have been better to make the top hat convex, I believe would be the right word, instead of concave. So this could actually be a hill, and I can grab these, and that would make a lot more sense. There's now dirt, and then there will be a grass patch as well. Very, very nice. Let's grab all of those. I think we got all of them. Now we're going to select A over here and G to grab and move it over towards the green. And then we'll go tab. All right, so there we go. Now we have a sort of cool nature top hat. I will put this into Studio and show you guys what it looks like on top of the player. So basically, you'll make your models. You have to document the process of making the models and then fill out your application. And then you'll hear back probably within like a month's time whether you get accepted or not. I wouldn't recommend making top hats. Ironically, since I made one here, I would try to be more original. Maybe like shoulder pads or cool helmets, just stuff that's not already on the catalog, guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this into Roblox, and I'll show you guys how it looks on a Roblox character. All right, guys, your boy's back. It's been quite a bit of time, but I got it all textured and imported it into Studio. Here's the hat. I can't really fly around it because I have to like turn after I click for now. But here's the hat, guys. I hope you did enjoy this video, and best of luck to everybody for getting in the UGC program if that's one of your goals. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.